Welcome to the session on the guidelines of BBA regular program. The university through which you are affiliated is Bengaluru City University. The present BBA degree regular course is designed according to National Education Policy 2020, which is implemented from this academic year 2021-2022. So there are certain specific instructions which you have to be aware of. First question is, what are the subjects you're going to study in this semester? Before you get to know about the subjects, there are certain terminologies which you should be aware. So let me explain those terminologies and make you understand the subjects. AECC stands for Ability Enhancement Compulsory Course. DSC stands for Discipline Specific Core or Course. SEC, which is Skill Enhancement Course, divided into two. One is skill-based, the other one is value-based. OEC stands for Open Elective Course. DSE is Discipline Specific Elective. SEE, which is Semester End Examination. CIE is Continuous Internal Evaluation. Then you have to know the breakup of three terms, L plus T plus P. L stands for lecture, T is tutorial, and P is practicals. Now you will have a question, how are these related to the syllabus and the subject matrix? So let me explain these with your subject matrix. The subject matrix which you will be studying in semester 1. The first is language. Language 1 is Kannada, which is compulsory. Every student should study Kannada language. Now you have the next question is language 2. In language 2, you have a choice. Either you can select English as the subject, or you can select Hindi, Urdu, Telugu, Tamil, Sanskrit, and so on. So which is AECC? Ability Enhancement Compulsory Course. So both the language, in language 1, you don't have choice, it is Kannada. In language 2, you have a choice. As I mentioned, Hindi or Urdu or Tamil or Telugu or Sanskrit, you can give us your preference. Now, as I mentioned, L plus T plus P. So 3 hours of lecture, 1 hour of tutorial, and there are no practicals. Similarly, for language 2. And now what is SEE? I mentioned you earlier that is SEE stands for Semester End Examination. At the end of semester 1, you will be writing the examination conducted by Bengaluru City University. And you will be writing exam for 60 marks. So remaining 40, which is continuous internal evaluation. It means every subject you have to write 2 tests, assignment and presentation. The faculty will assign you out of 40 marks. The maximum marks is 40. So together each subject is for 100. Same thing is applicable to language 1 and language 2. So let's move on to those DSC papers. You have 3 DSC, that is Discipline Specific Course, which is 1, 2, and 3. One is Management Principles and Practice, Fundamentals of Accounting, Marketing Management. Management Principles and Practice is a theory paper. Marketing Management is also theory paper, whereas Fundamentals of Accounting is having scope of theory plus practicals. So these papers, which will be 4 hours of lecture, and there are no tutorial and no practicals for Management Principles and Practice. Whereas for Fundamentals of Accounting, you'll have 3 hours of lecture and 2 hours of practicals. Similarly, Marketing Management is 4 hours of theory paper. Digital Fluency. Digital Fluency is only for 50 marks. The total marks was for 50. 30 marks is your semester end examination and 20 is your internals, that is continuous internal evaluation. How many hours of lecture? You'll have 1 hour of lecture and 2 hours of practicals. So this is a new subject being introduced in the new education policy or national education policy, digital fluency, which is for total 50 marks. Next, you have the choice of OEC, where OEC will enable you to understand, which is Open Elective Course. OEC stands for Open Elective Course, and you have to choose any one of these subjects. So you can choose Business Organization, Office Organization and Management, People Management, and Rural Development. Based on the faculties available, the institution is offering you Business Organization or people management. Choose any one of them. So which is for 3 hours of lecture program, and you'll have university exam for 60 marks and internals for 40, and total is 100. And this time, as I mentioned, you skill enhancement course, which is value based. You have 2 special papers, yoga and health and wellness. For yoga, there is no lecture classes, no tutorials. You'll have 2 hours of practicals, which will be conducted by the physical education department. Both the papers will have 2 hours weekly practicals. You will be learning yoga and health and wellness. And what is the marks awarded for you? It is 25 the total marks. There is no university examination. It is all awarded by the physical education director. Marks given is 25. So this is the basic structure of your first semester, and the total marks is for 700, which is divided as 390 for your semester end examination, 310 is for continuous internal evaluation. So hope you have understood to a certain extent the subjects and the papers which you are studying now. At this stage, these are the basics and essential information which you have to be aware. Later, as the days move on, you'll be made understand about different concepts and guidelines given by the university. Definitely, this program will add more value in your learning process. So if you have further doubts and clarity, will be given in your regular classroom. Maybe in tomorrow's class, you can come with all your doubts and we will try to clear those doubts and help you in taking a better decision and enjoy the learning process of first semester. Thank you all.